This is how the end result is going to look. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see another beautiful geometrical mandala. We are going to start with finding the center of our sheet first. So divide your sheet into 4 equal parts and get the center. Mark the center. Then take your protractor and mark every 20 degrees. 20, 40, 60, 80. Same thing on the other side, 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40, 60 and 80. Then just go ahead and join the opposite points, and these lines will form our reference lines for our mandala construction. Then mark 5 centimeter or measure 5 centimeters on your compass and just draw a 5 centimeter circle. You can vary the measurements. I'm just marking the points on the 20-degree lines intersecting the 5 centimeter circle. This will form our centers for all the future semicircles to come. Choose a point, draw a semicircle, draw an arc. It should be 5 centimeters. If you can see, I'm not altering the measurements. All the 20-degree lines on the 5 centimeter circle will form the centers just to draw the arc. If you have bigger sheet, take bigger measurement. Next step, I'm drawing a 7 centimeter circle. Then we'll finish off the petal, darkening up the line or the arc, and then finishing it up on the other corner, other side, just like this. We have taken 5 centimeter here. You can take 10, you can take 20 for bigger sheets. Now I'm also drawing the inner lining. If you can see, I'm using the same points as before, the 20-degree points. That was 5 centimeter last time. Now I'll reduce it to 4.8 and draw the inner lining from the same points. Then we'll finish off the other side of the petal. For the designing, I'll start with a spiral, add a circle on top, darken up the remaining space and finish off the spiral. Add inner lining to the shape. Then we'll fill it up with some semicircles, petals on top, flower petals. Add outer lining to these petals. Leave some space, draw another set of semicircles, fill it up with straight lines. On the top here, we'll add few circles, bigger to small circles, darken up the space around the circles. We are going to do this alternatively. So for the next petal, if you can see, I'm adding rounded petals on one side, add another line on top, darken it up, add outer lining to it, fill the space up with lines. So I'll give you options. You can either fill it up with lines like that, or I'll show you the other variation next. I'm repeating the same pattern if you can see. So this is the other variation. You can darken it up. You can either fill it up with lines or darken it up. This is how the end result is going to look. The alternative thing, if you can see, it gives a beautiful effect. So if you have liked what we have created, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.